Sana presa bebo no enche bia me be phone lines no na ansana no bebe kan kakra bi edi akire mamefo no oye mother enima bi ampese wo hu enti mamefo wa wo ba ukura wo ba onyame ache wo ba wa wo ye de nyame ase wo nkwa ho na niema bi a esese won so hwe ne yi ena mpese me boso kire we de di kan hia me pa ne se sleep when you can. So obetumi ada bomodin anada se 4 hours kura na obenya bomodin anada obetumi aka kire obi se onje one night bi na also akra no mom na nante na stretch kakra na wani enkum na beda it structure yourself so you can take your sleep bomodin empentem oh na what idea na we then na metumi aye menim se bia na wabere but structure yourself there to so bia be say when you come pan say eat regularly and drink water did you if you say akrano depends on you or breast milk no and rendro na womu no and akrano exclusive breastfeeding no akrano so ebejedi and say one and rendro na ohia obody mu no say one near ebe den na akrano nya bi anom. Think about it. So wow, baby anaudi, ediani bi anaudi, you can't do that. Every said you would no, and no, and the fusion so efa na ono so eba na wade ama oba no. Ente obi na ka say garbage in, garbage out. One the dia aduane pa one di ya oba no onya breast milk papa ennom. Ente no nsuo because nsuo no be boa ema regulate blood sugar, blood pressure. In fact, dehydration. So when nsuo oni pediem no e worsen wo mood pa. Enti no nsuo don't get dehydrated. Kai no pa. Na enos beboa ma wo yam hye wa anxiety ni fear. Na fe kura say milk no kura eye nufusuo no say makura obehu say afi de afi ase ba. Etos mi ensa me be say mo won ya na wa ye hu adwuma. Maame ya wawo. And was stepping outside daily. Na waje onyunu, waje mframa, waje owia. By 10 minutes, simadu. Na on them around. Na owia enka oni pedua kakra. Walking improves your move. And now your mood. Walking improves your mood. Say utu anamoa. Ubon say fe. Say the nanka waye boson. Na I say when injene. I say you feel some way, you know. Na it's improving it and to walk around now if you can say walking no say mild depression bia obo say na afia say brase the ema we boso no onante kakra movement improves your health ave the ebo ma konso pan say momodin say over social media no na be for mofra be ya mo we wo ya no social media obebra shut down on that kai hun say efri da ofafro kosi 1 year obewono be betumi ato so prioritize your mental health eti go on social media na mo hwa me maybe and away na o twa say na aba just what they see swaf man pasa. Why are you doing this? Take care of yourself, then you can take care of your child. Everybody the chat oh this and me here say make want to say ask for help. Distress is not failure. So one am how mua, so one am way more premua, and non chess wedding kugu, Mamodia na one wo antenatal clinic enkasa one o midwife enkasa one o doctor enkasa na hunu ekwan a obefa so a obetumi akopi eri ama metuma boa onua bi betumi aboa wa sori panyin bi betumi aboa osofo betumi aboa visiting you talking to you ni nyina no eboa enti shesa enioma yinso maame a wa ofoforo sleep when the baby sleeps. 1 meal, 1 walk, 1 chat. 10 years. 1 meal, 1 walk, 1 chat. If you hold the baby skin to skin, now they are gonna tarawobo, or not tarawobo, skin to skin. If you want limit social media, eya frisu kakra. Frisu kakra. Na fe mamodia in the day we am from Subia. Forgive yourself. Walk around, smile. Fi ade bi efe na sede kakra no nyame ebeshira. What should we do? Fire come truly.
Until we Nyabema, your husband, father, mother. Obi wufufuru ana so binyim ana ye ka perinatal mental health ukone nchen a koye adwuma
Right.
Misa ne se o memeboa na ohia mo ane deda
Business fire from
enti me can say new mothers, they don't need visitors.
Okay.
They need helpers.
Bebre sa
Aha, enti bra babe twitwi nkuko ma no babe so ni mu anwumei me wo time kakra ma me yi ma me bebobo ne ma ma o sa ne ma ni na eboa ma enti protect her sleep.
Okay, but na ho ba
enti boa no na o express milk na o so agi akola na o feed akola visitors ba usi o ma me ada enya fi na akonya ne se o obi aba ma ne na ono susu entimi dey enyo okay because enna eye eduro ena tie nasem
okay
so onyem wawo tie nasem
okay
no kacho so adine me hu mfa me hu ye me basa enka so ye so utie na wa training ni obeye
precis yenko
nti mane nipa ne hu se maybe won ti pain na say ba kacho nse o I am here. Me waha udi kasa cheme enye hwe kakra be ye yenko clinic na sena na akusi e kan no pano to listen without fixing. Watch for warning signs.
Okay.
Say maybe while atene ho nti edi wie kwan no na omo ekunu uyo okunu susu a ususu hia support. Nti community no I was say yesu ye bua husbands as well.
Okay.
Because almost so depression to me ebe achino say asore want me nani nti boy busuana na father no so aye den well established say obetimi aboa ne yire no nti normally oba pena ye di focus ne mano but I was a mema no so ye hwe na healthcare workers so they be a man ba antenatal anywhere moon screening for all this depression near man say ne be ya e be hu no ntem
I see a screening hospitals
nti me screening na ye hu na ye hwe warning signs no
early enough
say ne be ya issues no ye betimi aso anu ntem na man etimi aye okay during pregnancy and even after pregnancy.